Want to create AI avatar videos without a camera, microphone, or editing skills? Today, I'll show you step by step how to create a simple demo video using HeyGen, completely free. First, go to HeyGen.com and click Get Started for free at the bottom left of the page. You can register using Google or email. Next, input your email in the text box and click Get Started for free at the bottom left of the page. Now, check your email and you will see the magic link login sent from HeyGen. Click the link to login. After clicking the login link, you will see the onboarding page. Click Choose Free for the free plan. Then, select your preferred language and the reason for using HeyGen. Click Continue to go to Next Step. Make your selection in this step and click Continue to go to Next Step. Again, make your selection in this step and click Continue to go to Next Step. Once again, make your selection in this step and click Continue to go to Next Step. Now, you are in the HeyGen homepage. Click the Create icon on the top left corner of the page. Next, select Use a template under the Create a Video menu. You will see a list of templates and you can select any one you like. We will select Social Template to create your first demo video. After select and click this social template, the template will be loaded. You can preview the template video by clicking the play icon. Then, we click the Create with New AI Studio icon to create and edit our first video. Now, we are in the AI Studio page. First, we update the video title to My First Video Demo. Your video usually will have multiple scenes. We can jump to different scene by clicking the scene icon at the bottom of the page. Now, we are going to add a new scene to the video. We can do that by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, we add the script text, "Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video," to the scene. After we have done editing the video, we can click the Generate icon on the top right-hand corner of the page. Leave the title and other options as is and click the Submit icon to generate your first demo video. Your video will start to generate. It will take some minutes. Once the video is finished generation, you will be able to see the video length at the right bottom corner as shown in the screen. You should also receive notification email that your AI video is ready. Click on the video and the download page will be loaded and you can download the video. Now, your first demo video is created using HeyGen with a template. Let's watch the demo video generated now.
Welcome to a new way of thinking. Let's explore what's possible. It starts with a fresh perspective and a spark of curiosity. Great things begin with a single step and a bold vision. What you imagine today could shape everything tomorrow. Unlock limitless potential with one simple tool. It's time to create more, stress less, and elevate your ideas. Here's how it works. Simple to use with powerful results. From concept to creation, it's all right at your fingertips. Designed to save time, built to deliver results. No clutter, no noise, just what you need to make an impact. Start creating your future today. The journey begins now. Because your best work deserves the right platform to shine. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.
And that's it. You've just created a demo video using HeyGen for free. Just remember, the free version includes watermark, limited video length, limited avatars and voices, no custom avatar upload, If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment what you want to create next.